you say hello?
Hello.
God, my mum was cutting onions and the cat is sitting there like crying.
Oh, she's gonna do it.
Oh my god.
Oh, his mouth.
Look at him.
Baki fui.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait. Hello.
His tail. Bo, I have a question. Do you want to go on a walk?
Her meow is so cute, but so quiet.
Wow, you look amazing. Do you hate it?
Dad, look at this big old crazy bird.
Are we still stuck up here? What?
You got my finger. I'm trying to.
Are you okay? Oh no, we broke her. Are you okay?